Sahan Ahmed. I'm currently the project assistant at Upskill. I attended Sohan Haidear's session, which was on Presentation Artistry. It was especially helpful for me because although I'm acquainted with public speaking and presentation, but working for a startup, my audience is changing because we're trying to scale up. He has gone through hacks and he has gone through in-depth engagement techniques that will definitely help me to get from point A to point B effectively.
Hi, this is Mahdi from Daffodil International University. I attended this session called Presentation Artistry, and I learned a lot about how to engage audience, voice warm-up and many other things. So I think this session will be very helpful for professionals and university students like me.
Hi everyone, আমার নাম মুস্তাসিন ইসলাম। আমি Smartifier Academy সম্বন্ধে অনেক শুনেছি, especially সোহান ভাইয়ার সম্বন্ধে, and it was a wonderful experience. আজকে ওনার প্রেজেন্টেশন আর্টিস্ট্রিতে I spent a significant amount of the day. খুব ভালো লেগেছে, বিশেষ করে আমার যেটা ভালো লেগেছে হচ্ছে হাউ টু হুক একটা অডিয়েন্সকে ক্যাপটিভেট করার পুরো আইডিয়াটা আমার কাছে খুব ভালো লেগেছে। It was a wonderful experience and I would like to say all the best to Smartifier Academy.